Good morning, my darlings. Today is Thursday. Now today we have some more literacy inspired by Under the Sea. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's. I would love to see some of those posters that you made. And we've got some phonics, and we have got some more capacity in the sunshine and the warmth. And we've got some RE learning. We learned about churches last week, and this week we are learning about mosques. So you can learn about them, you can do a little sheet about them, and then there's a little challenge to see if you could build your own church or mosque. So using whatever you've got around, whatever building things you've got at home or at school, you could have a go at building your very own. So that is a fun little challenge for you. So before we get started on the learning, I hope you enjoyed yesterday's fact or fib from our book, so I thought we'd do a few more. So today we're starting off with fact or fib. So remember, fact is something we know is definitely true, and a fib is something like a little lie, okay? So fact or fib. Some fish move faster than speedboats. So speedboats are those boats that can go like super fast. So let's look at that picture. What do we think? Can some fish go faster than speedboats? Fact or fib? Well, it's a fact. My goodness. Most speedboats zip across the surface of the sea at up to 100 kilometres per hour. That's very fast. But that's nothing compared to a sprinting black marlin, one of the world's fastest fish, which can move at speeds up to 130 kilometres per hour. So it can move very, very fast indeed. And then we've got one, the opposite over here. This one says, in no hurry. Don't bet on this horse with a top speed of 1.5 metres per hour. So it moves very, very slowly. Think we know a metre. Think about a metre stick. So 1.5 is 1.5 metres. And it only moves that distance in a whole hour. Oh my goodness. The dwarf seahorse is probably the slowest fish in the sea. So that one is very, very slow. Okay, one more before we crack on with our day. So, fact or fib? All sharks live in oceans. What do you think? Fact or fib? God, those sharks. Well, the answer is, it is a fib. It's not true. Sharks do live in every ocean in the world, but they can also swim in rivers and lakes. They are able to survive in fresh, that's non-salty water, because seawater, ocean water, is salty. Okay, that's why you shouldn't drink it, as well as, not necessarily being very clean. So they survive in fresh water by weeing a lot. This helps them to keep the right amount of salt in their bodies so that they can spend time in fresh water. And here we've got super sleuth, so remember, like the super detective, the super finder out. The spear-tooth shark, here we go, just there, swims through freshwater rivers in northern Australia, but it makes trips to the ocean too. So this one is in both rivers and oceans. So it's amazing what facts you can find out every day. Right, have a fantastic day of learning, my darlings. Bye for now.